Hey there, fellow online shoppers. Have you ever ordered something from Amazon and found yourself constantly refreshing the page, wondering where your package is? Well, you're not alone. In this video, we're going to walk you through how to track your Amazon package in 2025, with some handy updates that make it even easier and faster. Whether you're a tech newbie or a pro, this step-by-step guide will have you tracking like a boss in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your Amazon account ready. Head over to the Amazon website or open the Amazon app on your phone. It's optimized for 2025 with slick new interfaces. Log in with your email and password, or use the quick biometric login if you have it set up. Once you're in, navigate to the Your Orders section. This is usually found on the homepage or in the account drop-down menu. Here, you'll see a list of all your recent purchases. Now, find the order you want to track. Click on it, and you'll see the order details pop up. Look for the Track Package button. It's prominently displayed and might even show real-time estimated arrival times thanks to Amazon's 2025 AI enhancements. Clicking that will take you to a dedicated tracking page where you can see the package's current location, expected delivery date, and any delays. If you're using the app, it's even better. The 2025 update includes live maps and notifications, so you'll get alerts when your package is out for delivery or if there's any issue. Pro tip: if your package is shipped via a third-party carrier like UPS or USPS, you can directly access their tracking from here. No need to switch apps. One more thing. Sometimes tracking might not update right away, especially during peak seasons. If that happens, double-check your order details or contact Amazon support through the chat feature, which is now super responsive with AI assistance. And there you have it. Tracking your Amazon package in 2025 is straightforward and stress-free. Give this method a try next time you order, and you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking.